Alright, let's do this one last time.
Hi, I'm Ishwari.
Hi, I'm Nikhil and we are building Capture.
Yes.
Last year I started working out with my father and I wanted to create a video like this. But the whole process turned out to be very tedious and time consuming that I eventually dropped the project. And that's when I found the company of Ishwari and Build Space, and for the past 6 weeks we've been building Capture.
We finished our beta version and here's how it works. You create a project, add a photo, use an overlay to take another photo, keep on continuing the process, and then generate your time-lapse video.
We went from the Figma design to the beta version in 4 weeks, and in week 4 we launched at LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram.
We got a couple of interests from all these platforms. By the next week, we launched our landing page, created our Telegram group and posted about our app on various subreddits. We got about 4,000 views from the subreddits and got about 30 signups in our waitlist, and 15 members joined our Telegram group, downloaded Capture beta version and shared their feedback.
Right now, we are working on building a stable version to release on Play Store. Do join our journey by following us on Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn. Thank you and download the beta version right now.
Here's the link.
Bye.
Bye.